Wagner L622 meter with the L722 stack probe, and this is really nice. So we were talking about slabs earlier, but again, same idea with lumber, being able to get in here and see what we're at. And let me get this on the right species. Oh, we're already on there, on Doug Fir, okay. So yeah, I mean, this way, because before, I think talking earlier, handheld meter, you'd only be able to get to the top. So I wouldn't know, checking this wood, what any of the rest of the inside stuff is. So something like this is really nice. And this stuff is just put in. So even right now, so that's reading, about 20. I'm getting like 20s, up to 25. Whereas in here in the center, we're maxing out at 31 in spots. So, and that's going to be different as it dries. This stuff's going to dry a lot quicker than the center. So yeah, we're able to stick this, and again, anywhere you want to go and how far in, and we can just check and see. That's all still staying at 31. So usually when we're doing the kilns, we do multiple spots, different depths, just kind of see where we're at, which this isn't the best example because it's all just soaking wet since it just got put in. But yeah, we're able to do that. Also with slabs, we would have this kind of same stack, same spacing, be able to check, and that's really good for those because we don't want the center of the wood being wet. And again, even having our stacks, and you'll see as we walk around, they go in the way they're stacked here outside air drying. They usually go in that same way with a full log if it's all together. At least once a week, try and check. Like this stuff, as I know it's getting drier, I will probably start checking it more frequently. Same with slabs, as we know they're getting closer to being finished. Might check them a couple times a week. And depending on the species, like this fir is gonna, then at the end when it's to the correct moisture content, then we do a heat treat. Turn it up to 150 for 72 hours, is 3 days, 24 to 72. And same thing with slabs. So that'll kill bugs, and that'll also set any pitch.